How to fix monsters are coming rock and road crashing on Steam. First, you will need to go to your library, right-click on the game and open up the Properties window. Now go to Installed Files and click on Verify Game Files button and wait for this process to finish. Now once it's done, you can go back to the General tab and under Launch Options, in this box you want to type -dx11 without spaces and then close this window. Next, you will need to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table. Make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 versions of the redistributables from these links right here. And once you're done, you will need to also update your GPU. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download NVIDIA app and go to the drivers section. Click on Game Ready Driver and then check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest available Game Ready driver. And once you're done, you will need to restart your system by clicking on Power and Restart. And then you will need to launch Steam as admin. After the restart, right-click on Steam and Run as admin. And then you can simply launch or play the game, and this should fix the crash issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.